Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the CS Geek, and I'm Sumant, and I'm here to explain you about my new project, e-auction. I have done this project as a part of the course CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. So, coming to the site e-auction, this is where users can register themselves and they can sell products online. And buyers, like if anyone want to buy any product, they can see the active listings page and they can see all the products which are there and they can bid their price. And if the seller likes the price, then he can close the bid by selling it to the person who places the highest bid. So now let me show you the models I've used in this project. So there's a model for the user. Listing is where all the products are stored, and for the bids, and we also have comments where users can comment on the product, and watch list, users can add the product to the watch list, and we have the winner. So now let me show you how we can register. So let me register a user. And now when I register and then it'll automatically log in, and then we'll have access to the various links here which previously we didn't. So we can see the dashboard here, account info, and I haven't added anything in the watch list, and I did not win any listings now. So we can see the active listings. I already added these before. You can see their seller name here, the product title, the category, and the description, the price, and when you click on this, it will go to the particular listing page. So now let's quickly create a listing. So this is where we can create a listing. Let's add a title, a description, category, so it's a book, and starting bid, let us say $10, and image link, it's optional, but let us give one, and say create. Now we should see our listing here. So this is seller stock and this is the listing. And when you click on view, you can see the price, the date created, and category. You can add it to the watch list, and comments. There are no comments found. And since I have created, Stark has created this, he can close the bid. While now this is the active listings page. This is the active listings, and here you can see all the listings. So let's go to this. You can see here I cannot close the bid since I'm Stark now. So only the person who creates one, he only can close the bid. So this is the view listings page, the page where each you can go and view more about this, about the listing, and you can also bid your price here. So it starts at 10. Now let me show you what happens if I bid the price lower than that. If I say submit, it will show you your bid should be higher than the current one. I can't even bid 10. It should be higher. So let's say 15. And when I submit, it shows your bid is added. And you can see the new one here, 15. So I can even leave a comment here. Let's say good book. And submit. So we can see our comment here. Now let's add this to our watch list. and we see that it is added, and now we can remove it if we want. So now if we go to dashboard, we can see that I have one in my watch list. When I click on this, I'll be taken back to this view listings page. I can remove it from here if I want. Then I can see it again turned into add to watch list. And when I go to dashboard, it is not there here. So let's go to the active listings again. Now let's log out. Now let me log in with another user. Now let's see the active listings. And since Sumant has created this listing, he can close it, and you can see that there's 15 here. And when he closes the bid, you can see that the bid is closed, and it will be redirected to the closed listings page. And you can see that this list has been closed, and the winner is Stark and the seller is Sumant. Now when we go to the active listings page, you can't see it here anymore. And all the comments and watch list data is also removed. So watch list, I already showed it here. So now when you go again, log in with Stark, and you see on closed listings, it will show congratulations, you won. And when you go to the dashboard, you can see it here. It's removed from your watch list and it's added here that you have won this listing. And we also have categories. So this is the categories. If you want to view any product based on the category, you can simply click here. Let's say accessories. Then it shows that there are no listings found in the accessories because we didn't add anything in the accessories. And let's say electronics. So we have some listings in the electronics, so you can see. And now let me show you the admin interface. Let's log in. So here you can see all the models. You have watch list, listings, users. In listings you can see the products here and more about them. You can even delete and add listings from here. So this is the Django administration. We can even manipulate it. We go to admins.py. This is where you have to register the models, and this is where the various URLs to the pages are, and these are the views for dashboard, for active listing, create listing. You can find this code in my GitHub, which I'll link it in the description, and you can go through it.